Hey, it's Shelly from Best Buy's blog. I've been doing a little grilling with the Weber Genesis Smart Grill. This is the Weber Genesis Premium EPX-335. This is a complete smart grill, so it has Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and an internal probe that can monitor what you're cooking and tell you when to flip it and when it's done. This smart grill has 39,000 BTU. It's a propane-fueled barbecue, and it has 513 square inches of cooking space with a 274-inch warming rack. So it can cook up to 32 burgers at one time. And that's just on the stainless steel burners. It also has a high heat sear station that's the entire length of the front of the barbecue, as well as a 12,000 BTU side burner that you can use for simmering sauces or making side dishes. The top warming rack will fold down so that you can fit more buns or just have your burgers up there. And as I mentioned, the sear zone goes the entire length of the main burner. So you can turn that sear zone on and reach a temperature of around 500 to 530 degrees Fahrenheit. One of the coolest features on this grill are the lights on the knobs. So all you have to do is touch a button and those lights will come on. So that's great for dim light or dark. There's also a light on the handle, and once you touch that, then the light will come on underneath the lid every time you open it. Here's a look at the screen, it's not a touch screen, but it's a digital screen on the barbecue. And this will tell you what the temperature is inside the grill. And when you insert the probe, which is included, it will tell you what the temperature is inside of your food. So you will place your food on the grill and you will insert the probe, as I've done here. You will insert the probe within the digital screen, and then you'll open the app and the app will walk you through everything. And in fact, the app will walk you through from all of the prep work that you'll need to grill the steak and showing you how to insert the probe, and it will also show you when to flip it in real time. So you can see here that the temperature is increasing in my steak as it grills, and it will tell me when is the right time to flip it. You can see the instructions if you're looking at the app, but you can also get a notification on your phone. So if you're not paying attention to your steak, it doesn't matter because your phone will tell you when it's time to flip the steak. Once you flip it, then that's all you have to do, and it will tell you when it's time to take it off and how long to let it rest before you cut into it. The app has compatible recipes for chicken, fish, any kind of cuts of beef. It has fruit recipes. You can bake cookies on this grill. You can bake bread on this grill if you'd like to do so. And it's totally amazing. I've never ever used a grill that is as easy to use. The only thing that digital screen and app won't do is turn off the gas when you're done. Once I had learned to grill steak, I was off and making every kind of thing that I could think of on this grill. So here's beer can chicken, and this had the probe inserted in it. So basically all I did was preheat the grill and I added the chicken and let the probe do all the work. The grill comes with the grill grates that you see here, but you can also choose to buy an additional pizza stone as well as a sear grate, and that was what I was using with the steak. If you take the sear grate off, there's a round grill compartment that you can place your Dutch oven in. So here's a look at making pizza on this grill, and this thing doubles as a pizza oven. There's no question that that is the best pizza that I've ever made at home, and I usually use the broiler in my oven, but it was absolutely unbelievable. The crust was so crispy. And it wouldn't be a grill demo if I didn't make a whole bunch of burgers. So this grill can grill 32 burgers at one time. So that's a lot of burgers. And I mainly only used the sear zone, so I was never really needing to branch out. But it is nice to know that you can grill that many and feed an army basically with one turn of the grill. What I really loved about this grill is the black enamel lid. And I say that because I've always wanted to grill on my porch, but my porch is very low. So with that black enamel lid, I can grill on the porch because there's no excess heat being released from the lid. So while I had to worry about potentially causing a fire with my other grill, with this grill that was never even a concern. I can wave my hand above the grill or touch the top of the grill as it heats up, and it's not even hot. This grill also has a very unique feature in that when you put your propane tank in the grill, it will show you on the app and on the screen how much propane you have left and when you're running low. It's also really easy to clean, and I love that about this grill. So you can pull out the grease trap at the bottom of the grill, and once you pull that out, you can just take it in the house and wash it. And the entire bottom of the grill also slides right out, and when it slides out, you can take that inside the house too. It does include a scraper you can use to clean the grates, but I actually found it just as easy to bring them in and just give them a good wipe down, or you can give them a good wipe down once they are cooled off. And the burners themselves, I've always had barbecues that where the burners would rust. I don't see that being a problem with this grill because you can actually just pick up the burners, wipe them off, wipe the grease off, and your grill will look brand new. I was so impressed with the Weber Genesis Smart Grill, and I highly recommend this grill if you're looking for a new grill this season. That's it for my review of the Weber Genesis Premium EPX-335 Smart Grill. You can see my full written review on Best Buy's blog. Thanks for watching.